You ready to learn how to crush, absolutely smoke your driver down the middle of the fairway? I really can't help you with that, but what I can help you with is how to tweak a setting in GS Pro that no matter how far you hit your driver, it's going to go further than what the launch monitor thinks it's going to go. So if that's something that interests you because you want to make sim golf a little more fun when you're not really too serious about carry and all that kind of stuff, you just want to have fun. Well, this setting is about as fun as it gets, and I'm going to show you how it works. There we go. The magic tab right up there is the settings tab. We're going to go into that. And then we're going to go into the game tab up here in the middle. Make sure that's highlighted. Then go to realism there on the left hand side. And we're going to click casual. And there you go. That's where you affect the length on your driver and all your clubs if you really want to. You can uncheck this box, and then whatever you set over here on this slider is going to add that much distance to all your clubs, which is a pain in the butt because it's hard enough to control a lob wedge without this set. You know, you could hit it 190 yards if you really wanted to with it set like this, especially when you're playing mouse golf. So I just set it to driver only, and now we hit save and exit, and it's time to hit the range. All right. Now it's time to crush some drives. We're out here on the practice range, obviously. We're gonna go back up to the top here, pull down, and, push up and let go. I suck with a mouse, as I have said in a previous video, but I don't know how far that's gonna carry when I actually get out to my sim with the driver, but I'm gonna leave this setting as is, and we're gonna compare. When I hit a similar shot without this setting set and when I hit a good shot with the setting on. So it could be interesting. I doubt I'm going to hit it that far because I'm a 180 carry, roll out to 195, 200 guy. So this could make my game a lot more fun. But when I'm serious and I'm about improving, I'll definitely not have this setting on. But there you go. Let's see if we can hit a good straight one here. That's not half bad. Nope. Earlier, I hit one 430, so there we go. That one is gonna holy cow. Look at that. Sorry, I bumped the mic there. 447-yard carry, 467 total. Yeah, this definitely makes playing, sim golf a lot more fun, so I'm gonna try this on that par 5 I played in the video where we talked about mouse golf in the first place, so stick around and check that out. Alright, we're back at Firekeeper Golf Course in Kansas, and we're playing number 4 this time, which is a very long par 5 at 628 yards. We're gonna see just how good I can do with the long driver setting. So that's where it's set up to land. We know it's probably gonna go a little further than 300, God willing, and the creek don't rise. And let's see if we can hit a fairly straight one. No, we can't. So, yeah, please stay out of the deep rough. Oh, in the deep rough. All right, let's see where we end up here. Oh, wow, it's already got me aimed clear over here. So we're going to move that over a bit just to see if we can get it there. Um, and see what happens here. Oh, that might be real good. Oh, that might be real good. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, nuts. I'm going to end up with a birdie. Yes. There you go. That's how you birdie in 3 shots because it landed in the outer gimme circle, which is 2 putts to get into the hole from there automatically, and that was on shot 2, so I ended up with a birdie 4. Oh, that was pretty awesome. I don't know about you, but I enjoyed that very, very much, and if you did, do me a favor. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you leave a comment. The more you engage with these videos, the more they get pushed out into the algorithm, and it just helps my channel, which I deeply, deeply appreciate. Until next time, when it comes to being good at both life and playing golf, for all of us, the struggle is real. My prayer is that we all just keep swinging. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.